Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So how are you doing? Good? Good. So today I'm going to talk about this brand which is very new to me. I have discovered it very recently. It's a cosmetic lens brand. So they basically make lenses according to Indian skin colors, which is really amazing because all the cosmetic lens brands are more about fairer skin tone, which is not exactly Indian skin tone. So I really like that thing about it. So without further ado, let me tell you about the brand. So this is Sky Cosmetic Lenses, and look at the packaging, guys. The packaging is really beautiful. I have got two lenses inside it. One is Asteroid, one is Cat's Eye. So I'm going to tell you each and everything about lenses, how to use it, if you are a first timer, what precautions you should take. So let's get started. So first of all, let's talk about the packaging. The packaging feels really premium, and this is the best thing about the lenses because packaging for me is the foremost thing. Like whenever you order a product, the first thing you notice is the packaging. It has a line art on that, and line art is something which is my favorite. Like I just love line art. So they have that, and it's classic black and white color box, and I really like it. So the packaging is really amazing. This is how it opens. This is the box, and I have got this Asteroid written on this. Is the lens case telling you left and right. I will also tell you why it is numbered as left and right. You can wear any lens in any eye, right? But there is a reason. Then you get your lenses inside these cute bottles. So I have got two different bottles, obviously for two different separate lenses. So this is the bottle. Yeah, so these are two bottles and the lens is inside it. So you need a solution to clean your lens. Once it is out of this box, this bottle, you cannot keep it inside again. The next thing which I got inside the box is this little tweezer. So this is the tweezer with which you can pull your lens and not apply it, but yeah, you can pull it. And one more thing which I've got inside is this. From this, pick your lens and put it in your eye, but I prefer my finger, so I might not going to use this. I'm going to show you how to use lenses. I'm really excited, so let's get the solution and open the bottles. Also, I want to talk about one more thing about Sky Cosmetic Lenses, that they ask for your power. If you have a power, you can order according to your power. So I have 0 power, so I have ordered 0 power lens. I don't know if it is visible, so it's a 0 power lens. And they will definitely ask about your power, so you can order accordingly. So after 10 minutes, I have opened the bottle. Guys, I have never used a bottle lens. So without further ado, let's grab our saline water, grab our lens, and put it inside that. So guys, this is my first lens. So I finally managed both of the lenses here in the saline water, and now I'm going to apply it. So before you apply, you need to wash your hands properly, and try not to towel dry it, because then few particles of towel may remain here, so it will gonna be inside your eyes. That's not good. So now I'm fully equipped. I have washed my hands properly with the soap. So you should always wash your hands before applying lenses with the soap properly, so that there is nothing left on your fingers, which might itch your eye or something like that. I have put the lenses inside this case. This is left and right. I mean, if you're using it for the first time, like you have just opened it, then you can use any side as left and any side as right. But as you go, ahead, if you are keeping your left lens in the right case or vice versa, then the problem is if you have anything itchy on your left and next time you are applying it on right, God forbid, if you catch any infection, that's not good for the eye. So that's why you always keep left lens in your left case and right lens in your right case. So always take your lens like this on the tip of your finger. I don't know if it is visible, but yeah, you always need to take it like this and apply it. You need to blink it 2-3 times so that it can get adjusted as you play. So yeah, you can see the difference, right? So yeah, this is Asteroid, guys. So I think I'm closer and show it to you. So this is the color, guys. You can see the difference. It's Asteroid. So it's blue in color, and I really like it because it's looking very real. I love it. Yeah. So let me go ahead and put the second one also, and I'll come back. Guys, so finally I am done with my lenses. As you can see, I have Asteroid on, so it looks really natural. And I'm going to show you Cat's Eye in my next video, which is going to be all Hindi, so that everybody can understand how to put on lenses. But for now, I'm really happy. Blue is something which I have ordered for the very first time. I have ordered grey once, but I guess I'm in love with this color. This color looks really great on my skin tone. So I'm going to come a little closer and show it to you. So this is the shade, guys. thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you go and purchase the Sky Cosmetic lenses, do let me know. Hope to see you in my next video. Loves of love. Bye.